Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to do the conversion of fraction to a decimal where the denominators will be 10, 1000 and 100. Okay, so here first I will take one fraction, that is 5 upon 10. Now over here you have to remember that in this type of conversion where you are converting a fraction to a decimal, you have to remember that when it is a division, like when we write in fraction, that means it is a which operation, it is basically division, right? So when it is division, the decimal point will always move to the left hand side. Means what? When I am writing some number, let's say 2, do you know there is a decimal number, a decimal point over here in number 2 also? Yes, it is after the point, after the number. So it is 2 point. If I write number 101. Do you know where the decimal point is? Yes, it is after the 1 at the end. It is like a full stop. Okay, but we don't normally write it. It is just, it is there. Okay, so when in conversion and when it is with regards to dividing by 10 or 100 and 1000, you have to remember that the decimal point will move to the left hand side. And how many digits it will leave will be determined with the number of zeros that is present in the denominator. Now, first thing you have to do is first write the number which is there in the numerator. Done. Now you all know, as I said earlier, that there is a decimal point over here also which is after the number. We don't write it normally. Now, since I am dividing it, it is going to jump to the left hand side. But with how many digits? You have to check the denominator. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So this is going to jump over 1 digit and the point over here it will come. That means the answer, the final answer over here, it will be 0.5. I'll take one more number, 37 upon 10. First step, write the number which is there in the numerator. Written, done. Now where is the point? It is after 7, right? How many digits, how many zeros are there in the denominator? Check. Only 1 0, correct? So I am going to jump over 1 digit to the left. So over here the point is going to jump over here between 3 and 7. So answer over here will be 3.7. 104 upon 10. First step, just follow the steps. First step, write the number that is there in the numerator. Done. Where is the point right now? After 4. Check how many zeros are there. 1 0. That means I am going to shift the point to the left hand side. How many digit? 1 digit. Now where it is? Over here. So the answer over here will be 10.4. Now I'll take a fraction where the denominator is 100, that is 2 zeros are there. Now the first step, what I am going to do, as I said, I am going to write the number which is there in the numerator. 2 I have written, right? And I am aware that the point is over here after 2. Now what you have to do is check how many zeros are there in the denominator. 2 zeros, correct? So how many digits it is going to skip? 2 digits to the left. So 1 skipped. It is here now. Now almost it will skip. But what do you observe? There is no digit over here, right? So I am going to put a 0. And now finally where is the point? Over here. So the answer over here will be 0.02. Now I want you all to try this with me. 51 upon 100. 51 I'll write. How many digits? Now I am not going to make arrows and all, okay? Because I believe you have understood this. So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Skip 2 zeros from the left and put the point. And since you cannot leave the point as it is, write 0 in before it. So it will be 0.51. 791 upon 100. 791 I wrote. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Skip 2 digits from the right to the 1, 2 and put the point. So answer is 7.91. Now same logic you are going to apply over here also. When the denominators are 1000. First write the number. How many digits you will leave? 1, 2, 3. 1 is already left. There is no digit. So I put 0. One more 0 because one more step. then put the point and 0. Now you can try with me this one quickly. 34 I wrote, 3 zeros. So 3 digits should be there, 1, 2, one more is missing, 0.0. And one last for the day, 520 divided upon 1000. So 520 I wrote, 3 zeros, 3 digits should be there, 1, 2, 3, and then the point and 0. Answer is 0.520. So I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.